Welcome back to Project Chief. It's day 38, and we have a special guest.
His name is George, and you're going to see none of his work because we only have one camera.
Hey.
But he's insulating. Tomorrow, we'll do a peek of what George is up to. But today, you're going to see us start laying deck boards.
And that's what we do all day.
It took a while. Don't judge us.
But we want to make sure it was high quality.
Whew. Enjoy. You made it through a time lapse. I'm not sure how long time lapse actually is because, unbeknownst to all of us here, my phone ran out of battery sometime during filming. So
it might be very short.
It could be really short, but we did a lot of cool things.
Hey, so is it time to ring the bell?
Oh,
it is.
Here we go, George.
Put some comments. We need comments. Doing some great deck work here.
Yes.
And I would say, subscribe if you haven't already. And
that's a good idea.
This is the first time you've got 38 episodes to look at before you come back to this one. So
that is so
bring
true.
It on.
You can binge watch us now.
Yeah.
It would be a total of approximately 150 minutes of us babbling.
You're welcome. Now that you've enjoyed this video, turn off the TV, put your phone down, and read a book.
Or talk to a friend, your spouse, your dog. Talk to somebody. The Lord.
That's the best one.
That is the best one.
Right there.
Let's go.
Let's do it, Andy.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It's day 38.
That's too much of a pause.
Yeah, that was a good
That's
take.
all right.
Hey.
That's great.
All right.
Our first time, and you did it in one shot. Sometimes it takes us just a lot of takes.
Well.